We're back.
We're hungry.
And here we sit, eating lots and lots of food because that's what we do.
Another highway, another dhaba to take a look at all the wonderful people, some of the surprising moments, and what have you that we've had in the show so far.
Sure. And here's hats off to all you folks all over this country.
We must always respect elders and their views. This is an elder, and this is a view that we completely respect.
Very well
salute
respected.
it. Eat sweet. When in doubt, eat sweet.
A salute to whoever's in charge of the roads over here.
Present the third edition of the very special Non-Polluting Awards.
Dan, dan, dan. This spectacular, coveted award is going to be given out to all the best places, all the best locations, and all the best people that we've come across over here. Not that we're anybody to judge, and there's a lot of best people as far as we're concerned. You feed us and we love you all the same, but we're going to try.
Along with that, it's also nice because this season you've seen, we have our very own accompaniments. We've got our coasters, our posters, our table mats, and our very special, high on my plate, citations for the best of the best.
Stop showing off, Mayur.
Why?
Because it's my turn now. So here it is, the extremely attractive, very well-framed, coveted poster that's going to go up on the walls in all the best dhabas in this country. This award goes out to two of the most spectacular food joints that we've come across in this country so far. They are absolutely stunning in that the food was... talk. I can't talk right now.
You go. Well, for me and all those vegetarians that have watched the show and followed it, the best meal has definitely got to be, wait for it, the Gayatri Parantha House on Bus Station Road in Porbandar. What a meal.
Gayatri Parantha House, this one for you.
What we call a parantha is called a thepla here, and it's got methi, which is fenugreek. People are so confident of the quality of their food that they're not too concerned about making a lot. They have a certain amount, they make it, and they know that at the end of every day, it's going to be completely sold out.
So, for those of you who haven't got your rotis quite straight as yet, let me tell you, this is a rotli or a roti, which is the lightweight. This is a thepla, which is the middleweight. And this is the rotla, which is the heavyweight. You have one of these and you don't have no problems more. इस जगह से अच्छी और कोई जगह है पोरबंदर के अंदर खाने के लिए? My favorite food was another one. And I'm going to tell it to you as soon as Mayur gives me the award. Give me the award first, give me the award first.